Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your side hustle with Etsy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your side hustle on Etsy, start by understanding the platform's policies. Familiarize yourself with Etsy's terms of service. Make sure your products comply with Etsy's guidelines. Consider registering your business legally. Choose a business structure that suits your needs. Think about setting up an LLC or a sole proprietorship. Register your brand name through your local government. Protect your intellectual property by applying for trademarks. Document the creation process of your products. Take high-quality photos to showcase your work. Create detailed descriptions that highlight your unique selling points. Monitor your listings for any potential infringement. Keep track of your sales and customer interactions. Implement clear policies on shipping, returns, and exchanges. Set up a separate business bank account for financial clarity. Consider getting liability insurance for added protection. Stay informed about changes in Etsy's policies. Regularly review your shop and make necessary adjustments. Engage with the Etsy community for support and advice. Finally, always be proactive in safeguarding your side hustle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.